Hi, I'm Terry Dorland with Rise Local TV, and we are here with another expert interview where we interview experts in the local marketplace and help consumers solve their problems. So today I have Dr. Lee Fitzgerald with the Forte Implant Center down in Plano, Texas here today with us. Dr. Fitzgerald, how are you?
Great, Terry. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for being here. Well, today we are going to be discussing how to find a good dentist. And you know, this when consumers are out there, maybe they are looking for a new dentist, maybe their current dentist retired, maybe I don't know, maybe they are not happy with their current provider. For whatever reason, they're out there and they're looking. Want to help them find a good dentist, really sift through all the noise out there, through all the websites, all the everything out there, all the results through Google. You know, they do a search. The first page of Google alone has 10 results. Everyone's got a website touting how great they are. And from an expert standpoint, Dr. Fitzgerald, what should people actually be looking for?
It's a great question. Well, you know, this day and time, when we look back at the traditional times when people would come in before internet, all these things, the best referrals were always from people that knew someone else. And that's still a great way to go, because if you have friends that are like you, that have some of the similar interests, then you say, well, you know, to your friend, who do you go to? Who do you see? That's one way of going. And then you can always confirm things just by, you know, now we've got the internet, as you mentioned. You can find out about their office, where they're located, what services they provide, got social media, who's talking about them, what do they know about them. Tons of places to look at reviews. You know, you always have to filter on which ones are the correct, you know, are they real reviews or not, of course, to see if the, you know, people are really giving you the scoop. You know, between all those, when you're looking for somebody to take care of you, it's important for you to do your homework. Now, once that's being said, now there's kind of a separation. You've got people that, you know, there are a lot of people out there that just want some basic dental care done. And for them, most offices are adequate. But then if they have special needs, special interests, say as cosmetics or implants, such as like in our situation, our office, people really need to do even a little bit more homework, because they need to find somebody who's a little bit more seasoned, you know, in doing those procedures. So seasoned meaning that they do them, they've been in practice for a while, because you don't want somebody who is a novice at doing things like cosmetics and implants. There are a lot of skilled people out there, but you really want to find people that are truly skilled, because you really want a comfort level and care that you can rely upon for years, because it's not a small investment, and so you need to do your homework. By that, you look at them and you see their history, you see if they've got before and after pictures, and if you go and you interview them, make sure that you feel comfortable with them, and if they have examples of their work, patients of theirs that you can call to find out, you know, just what was the experience like. Those are some of the best ways to determine, especially if you're going to make a large investment in your smile or having implants placed. That's some of the best ways to determine whether that dental care provider, that dentist, is the right choice for you.
Okay, so far that makes a lot of sense, and that is definitely really helpful. You mentioned a little bit about experience. Talk about how experience comes into play with someone's decision in finding a new dentist.
Experience is huge. It's, you know, like I said, there are a lot of talented dentists out there, but when you've been in practice for a long time, you've seen a lot, you've done a lot, you know ways to figure things out, to take care of people in a greater degree. And if you're going to make a sizable investment in something as important as your smile, or maybe having your teeth replaced with implants, you really need to look at somebody's history and to see how they've done. Length of time in practice is, you know, if they've been in the same location, you know, do they have a good reputation? And those things are really important.
You talked a little bit about people being able to come in and see you for a free consultation, and having past or examples of past patients' work on your website for people to be able to see. Talk a little bit about what the patient experience is like at the Forte Implant Center. You know, what differs you from the rest of the dental offices in the Plano area? If someone were to come in and see you, what type of patient experience would they have?
All have things that we excel in, and our practice is unique because, for example, in my situation, I've been in practice for 30 years, and we not only have a a treatment facility that really is very extensive, where we do cosmetics and we do implants. People that come to see us can expect to be completely evaluated by a very stable, very concerned, experienced staff that really knows dentistry. And in our office, because I've been in practice for so many years, I can address people's cosmetic needs because I've done that kind of procedure over and over again for so many years. I've got extensive experience in cosmetics and implants. And we connect those situations together because a lot of people that really want to have teeth replaced, whether it's implant-based or not, they really want it to look great and natural. And we have an in-house dental laboratory, which the patients have full access to that. They not only speak to me about their smile and their concerns and my staff, but they also get a chance to meet our technician who's been with me. I have three technicians now. And Dana is our head ceramist. She's been with me 23 years this year. And so they get a chance to really meet the person who is going to be making the porcelain that goes on their teeth to make these beautiful, life-changing smiles. So my office offers something that is a rarity. There's only a couple of offices like ours in the entire country. So it's an opportunity to connect not only experience with a great facility, great technology, and really be able to give that patient what they'd like to have, what we hope that they would like to have. It's all about communication and making sure that they're comfortable and they get a great result.
Wow, I've never heard of people being able to do that before. So it sounds like, you know, there's a little bit of artistry involved. So instead of just, you know, getting to have your art there, you're actually getting to be able to meet the artist, the person that's actually creating these, you know, creating the ceramics for your teeth.
Absolutely. It's a difference between going to an artist studio than going to, you know, a place in the mall picking out a painting. You know, when you go to the artist, you're going to expect it to be a lot better.
Wow, that's pretty unique. I've never heard of people being able to do that before. Talk a little bit about, I know you got a special offer for people to give them the opportunity to come in and see you and really experience that difference that your office has to offer. What special offer do you have for people watching this video to give them the ability and bring them in to give them the ability to come in and actually see you versus some of the other offices in the Plano area?
In our situation, because we offer so many things to people, they may go to several offices to have certain procedures done, because we do everything under one roof, which includes doing a CAT scan, which is required for implants. They many times are off-sided for that. If they mention they've seen us, we are more than happy to do that CAT scan for no cost to them, which is anywhere from, depending upon where you go, $500 to $1,000 is what that cost typically is. No cost to them, no obligation to them. And we're more than happy to do it. We use it to actually give them a complete, thorough exam, which is what we'll do for them.
So for anyone that wants to come in and actually take advantage of that offer, or just take advantage of the fantastic experience that your office provides, what's the best way for someone to contact you over at the Forte Implant Center right now?
There's so many ways these days. It depends upon if you pick up the phone, which you can call us, which our number is 972-612-7800. You can, if you're on your smartphone, just pull us up. You can contact us just by finding us on the internet. We're on Facebook, but the ForteImplantCenter.com is one of the best ways to reach us if you're out there on the internet. So either way, you'll find us, and it's convenient for us to connect with us. In fact, our phones are answered 24/7. So we're here for you. We want to be convenient to find us and connect with us.
Okay, well that's easy enough. Dr. Fitzgerald, I really want to thank you for being here. You provided some great insight for people that might be out there looking for a new dentist in their area, giving us what to actually look for and how to really sift through the noise. So again, I really want to thank you for being here today.
My pleasure, Terry. Thank you.
All right, everyone. Well, thank you for watching another episode of Rise Local TV, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.